Here also, if I have to compare the boiling point of silicon, germanium, SN and PB, so it is also following this order. So group 13 and 14 properties you should remember. Next question, it is about the kinetics. So again I have to say kinetics has become important or more important for this exam. This is the second question that we are having today. So they have given this equation, Ax is giving By, rate constant they have given 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 molar per second, per molar per second. So they have not mentioned anything about the order of the reaction, so that we can find out from the this units, these SI units of the rate constant. So from here I can say that the order of reaction, order for reaction, the given one is 2. So the first option, that T half is independent of the initial concentration of X. So T half is independent for the initial concentration of the reactant only for the reactions having first order reaction. So this is second order reaction, so I cannot say this statement is correct for the given case. Dissociation of N2O5 is an example of the reaction -1, the reaction 1. So this is reaction 1. So again this N2O5 does not follow the second order kinetics reaction, so this B is also incorrect. Concentration of X becomes 4 times, then the rate reaction increases by 16 times. So that you can do simply, that if we increase the concentration of the reactant by 4 times, so what I can say, let's say this is the case, rate is equal to K into concentration of the X power 2, because this is following second order kinetics reaction. So let's say R1 is the rate when the concentration of the X is, let's say, just X molar I can say square, and this R2 is the rate of the reaction when concentration of X has become 4 times, so it can be 4x square. So if I take the ratio, since the rate constant depends only on the temperature, so we are not changing any temperature, so K will remain same, and if you will find out that the new rate R2 will become 16 times of R1, so I can say this statement C is correct. This log A naught by AT is directly proportional time, so ये आता है for the, this comes for the first order kind of reactions, so this D option is also incorrect. So for the given question, this option C is the correct one. Okay students, so this is all for this today's shift 2 paper. I hope these questions are not very much lengthy, not very much difficult. They are moderate kind of questions. Many questions are straightforward, many questions are I can say they will take time, but they are not difficult. So I have not find any question that is out of syllabus, that will take too much time, or that can make you disturbed during the exam. So I hope paper this time they are coming on easier side as compared to January session. So I wish the remaining students who have exam in future, so best of luck. Thank you.